Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect a Hostinger domain to Blogger in 2024. So, of course, to do so, you'll need to set up the correct DNS settings and configure Blogger to use your custom domain. And of course, this will allow your custom domains to direct visitors to your Blogger site seamlessly. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
So first you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here I'm using Brave for you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to this URL section. Make sure to open both hostinger.com and blogger.com. So make sure to log in both options, like Hostinger if you have an account, log in into it. If you don't, create an account. Same will be for Blogger. Make sure to sign into an account if you have one. If you don't, you'll have to go and create an account. You can use Google as you can see in here. So you create your account, of course, or even log in into your account, depending on whatever suits you. So you'll have to choose a name for a blog. For me, I'll just name it, for example, Omics, and click on next, example. Choose a URL for it, as example. So just choose Omics again. This other is not available. What about double X? It's not available. So what about this? So Omics C. Why not? The display name Omics is available. Seems all good. I'll just go and click on finish. So yeah, as you can see, my Blogger is now ready to use. Of course, for me, I'll try to change like the settings, or sorry, the URL of my Blogger from omics.blogger.com into like the domain that I have in Hostinger. So first of all, go to Hostinger, check if you have a domain yet or not. So if you go here to domains, as an example, as you can see, I cannot find any domain that I have. So we'll have to go and get a new one. So basically just enter the domain that you desire in here. So as example, maybe omics like T as we want, maybe omicsc.com, and go and click on search. So as you can see, omicsc is taken. So what about omicsc? What about that? Click on search. Yeah, it seems like available. So I'll just go in here and click on buy now. As you can see, if you want this for 2 years, this is going to be the price. 1 year, this is going to be the price, etc. And 3 years, this is going to be the price. So depending on whatever you want, just go and click on choose payments method. Go through the checkout experience basically and pay for whatever you want. You want to pay with Google Pay, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, or PayPal. Otherwise, as you can see, you have coins like Bitcoin and etc., which is going to be crypto basically, and Alipay. I've never seen this before. So pay for it, and you can simply just go then transfer it if you want to. But in this video, we don't want to transfer it. But of course, if you want, you'll be able to just go and click on transfer. Choose as example, let's say that's our domain, because the other one they'll tell me get, but this one, as example, yeah. So here they'll check two things. They'll check if 60 days passed since registration or transfer, and if this domain is locked or not. If it's locked, as you can see, they will show you how to unlock it on Hostinger and even on a lot of other options, depending on the provider that you have. If it's unlocked, basically you'll be able, instead of check again, they'll show you how to transfer it right away. Just follow instructions. But for us, we don't want to transfer it. We just want to connect it. So how to do so? Basically, you'll have to go to your domain sections on Blogger. So basically go to this left panel, click on settings right here, scroll down to publish in, and here you would like to choose a custom domain. So custom domain should be, as example, omics.com, which is going to be already like, as you can see here, so blogs may not be hosted as naked domain names, which is yourdomain.com. Please add a top level domain, which is www. Okay, yeah, so sure, I can add that. So custom domain www.omics.com. Why not? Click on save. And with not being able to verify your authority to your domain on your domain registry website, locate your domain DNS settings and enter the following to name CNAMEs as example. So yeah, this is what we want. Basically, they will give you those DNS records. Make sure to guess it. Like the first one is CNAME, they'll give you the name of it. And the second one, name of it, destination. And you can see it supports, of course, for details instructions. So, example, I'll just go and get this link right here, copy, go and get it right here. They will show you exactly like how to transfer it, or sorry, how to connect it, basically. As example, they'll show you exactly what you want. So for me, I'll just go now to my domain right here on Hostinger. Once I go to this domain, of course, once I go to this domain here, I will have to access the settings of that domain and access basically or specifically the DNS records or DNS settings. I'll have to switch those DNS settings by this. I'll change the CNAMES records by those things that they enter here. So basically, they'll give me two CNAMES records. The first and second one, I'll have them, of course, in here. I'll have already then two CNAMES records in there. I'll have to change them with whatever they say in here. Once I do so, once I change them, I come back here. Of course, I save everything. I come back here, click on save. And as you can see, for me, could not update settings. Why? Because I still did not change anything because I don't own a domain. But for you, you will find it like changed. You will find your domain in here and you'll be able to start using it right away without any problems. How to test this? Basically, just go to a new URL section or new tab, just type omex.example.com and check whether it's going to take you to your blog on Blogger or not. If it took you to your blog, that's already great. You've done great and you're already good to go. You verify it. You can even enable the HTTPS if you want to. An example here in Blogger, what will that do? Basically, to ensure that visits to HTTP redirected to HTTPS, which will add more security. Don't worry about anything about that. Just enable it. It's very good to enable it. And yeah, that's going to be it for you today. So thank you for watching and goodbye.